Brenda, how did you go at the Blooms Oil, where you painted 3 paintings in 4 days? I have to ask you, had you painted before?
No.
You had never painted before, because look at this. That was your second painting. The figs was your first, so that was getting your hand in on the oils, seeing what they did, using the system which builds a painting from scratch. And then you did the peony. This is stunning, by the way. Well done.
Thank you.
And then you did the magnolia, and you sort of made your own changes to the reference, but you did the main flower and added some things. I love the colours. Really well done. So how was it for you?
To be honest, I found it challenging, but it was more challenging in the fact that I had to quieten my own inner critic and get out of my comfort zone. And so Jack supported me through that process. It was a rough ride for both of us on some days.
No, there was lots of teasing both sides. We had fun.
She was a really great support, and she pushed me, and yes, I have some excellent results, which I'm very proud of.
Yeah.
And just shows how good a teacher she is.
And how great a student you are. And darling, you know, I can see that you can paint, so it's just wonderful to see. And I think you can go and do another version of this at home, of the magnolia, but with a dark background, so you get another painting out of it.
Absolutely,
This
yes.
is cool.
So I can't wait to keep on practicing and keep on learning. So it started a whole new experience and adventure for me.
Well, thank you, darling. Thanks for being in my first Blooms Oil workshop,
It was
painting
my
3
pleasure.
paintings in 4 days. So happy. And
Yes.
yeah, well done.
See you next time.
Yeah, I hope so.